Welcome back to Car Recap Hub. In the quiet village of Solihull, nestled within the West Midlands of England, a legend was born. From the post-war era through the turn of the century, Land Rover carved its place in history by creating machines that were not just vehicles, but lifelines. Among them, the Defender rose to iconic status. It was never about luxury or speed. It was about resilience, character, and the ability to conquer terrains where others dared not go. Today, we revisit that story through one very special example, Project Keswick Green. This is not just another Land Rover Defender. This is a genuine Defender 9300 TDI hardtop, a product of Solihull's proud tradition, restored with painstaking precision and respect for authenticity. Its journey has taken it across time, through the hands of skilled craftsmen, and back into the spotlight as a symbol of what makes the Defender so timeless. The heart of this machine is the 300 TDI turbo diesel engine. To understand its importance, we must look back to the early 1990s. When Land Rover introduced the 300 TDI, it wasn't just releasing another diesel engine. It was giving the Defender a beating heart that would prove itself on farms, in jungles, across deserts, and along mountain paths. Producing around 111 horsepower and 265 Nm of torque, it may not have sounded extreme on paper. But in practice, it was robust, simple to maintain, and astonishingly reliable. Owners around the world still swear by it, often calling it the best engine Land Rover ever made. Paired with the R385 speed gearbox, the Defender became not only capable but also comfortable in long journeys. The R380's smoother shifts and durability complemented the engine's steady pull, creating a combination that enthusiasts continue to admire decades later. This pairing is what makes Project Keswick Green so faithful to its heritage. Unlike the LS conversions often found online, where modern V8 engines are swapped in for raw power, this Defender preserves the spirit of the original. It was built not to be loud or flashy, but to remain authentic, collectible, and true to what a Defender is supposed to be. Every part of this restoration reflects care and expertise. The drivetrain, engine, differentials, suspension, and mechanical components were entrusted to NWD-4X4, one of the most respected Defender specialists in the United Kingdom. With years of experience working exclusively on Land Rovers, their reputation ensures that every nut, every bolt, and every joint has been given attention worthy of this machine's legacy. Now, being offered by Debsch Motors, a name equally respected in the Defender community, this vehicle carries not only mechanical assurance but also provenance, an invisible seal of quality that collectors value deeply. But beyond mechanics, what makes Project Keswick Green truly stand out is its finish. The paint, carefully applied, is Land Rover's iconic Keswick Green. This shade is more than a color. It is a connection to the Defender's military and agricultural past, where utility was the focus, but style was never neglected. Keswick Green carries with it the earthy tone of the British countryside, the ruggedness of stone walls and fields, and the heritage of generations who relied on these vehicles. Against this backdrop, the Defender's boxy, purposeful lines come alive, reminding us that form can follow function and still achieve beauty. Climb inside, and you are greeted by simplicity, and that is precisely the point. The Defender's interior was never about extravagance. It was about durability, about being easy to clean after a muddy trail, about withstanding boots, gear, and tools. Yet within its simplicity lies honesty, and for many enthusiasts, honesty is luxury. The seats invite you to sit upright, commanding a view of the road, or the lack thereof. The dashboard offers the basics, the switches feel mechanical, and every sound of the engine is unfiltered. In a world filled with touchscreens and driver aids, the Defender reminds us of a more authentic driving experience. Project Keswick Green is not simply a car. It is a bridge between past and present. For collectors, it represents an investment opportunity, a Defender restored with authenticity in mind, free from the dilution of non-original engine swaps. For adventurers, it is a machine waiting to be driven, tested, and taken where ordinary vehicles would falter. And for enthusiasts, it is an artwork, one painted in Keswick Green, finished by craftsmen, and offered with the knowledge that its story is only beginning anew. The Defender 90 itself has a special place in Land Rover's lineup. Compact, agile, and incredibly capable, it was often the choice for those who needed utility in tight spaces, whether navigating narrow lanes in British villages or winding through mountain trails. Its short wheelbase gives it remarkable off-road agility, while still offering enough utility for daily tasks. That balance is what made it beloved by farmers, explorers, and even military units. In Project Keswick Green, that tradition continues. This Defender 90 is more than restored, it is preserved. By maintaining the original drivetrain and respecting the 300 TDI's legacy, it avoids the common pitfall of modernization for its own sake. Instead, it embraces the very qualities that made the Defender iconic in the first place: durability, authenticity, and timeless design. Collectors around the world are realizing that authentic Defenders are becoming harder to find. Many have been modified, swapped, or overhauled beyond recognition. Yet here, in this build, lies a rarity, a Defender that respects its origins, while still offering fresh life through restoration. That makes it not only a pleasure to drive today but a valuable asset for the future. The story of Project Keswick Green is also the story of partnership between specialists. NWD4X4, known for their meticulous mechanical work, ensured that the Defender's underpinnings were restored to their full potential. From differentials to suspension, every mechanical system was renewed to factory-like condition. Then, Debsch Motors, with its reputation in Texas and the UK, took this Defender to the next stage, preparing it for the market, ensuring quality, and presenting it as a finished piece worthy of collectors worldwide. And so, we arrive at the essence of Project Keswick Green. It is at once an object of nostalgia and a tool for the present. It carries with it the rugged determination of Land Rover's past, the engineering reliability of the 300 TDI, the craftsmanship of specialists, and the visual beauty of Keswick Green paint. Whether parked in a collection, rolling through city streets, or climbing rocky trails, it demands respect. When you see it, you don't just see a vehicle. You see history, restored. You see a legacy, continued. And you see potential for adventure, for investment, and for personal connection. That is the magic of the Land Rover Defender. And that is why Project Keswick Green matters. From Solihull to today, the Defender has always been more than steel and bolts. It has been a companion, a workhorse, a status symbol, and a piece of heritage. In Project Keswick Green, all those elements converge. It is a Defender that pays homage to its roots, while standing ready for its next chapter. This is not just a restoration. This is not just another vehicle. This is a statement. A statement in Keswick Green. This is Project Keswick Green, the Defender reborn.